Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you different ways to display negative numbers separately in Excel. First, we will use Excel's built-in options. So select your numbers, press Ctrl 1 in Format Cells dialog, go to Number tab, select Number in Category. Now you will see different options for the negative numbers. Select any option and click OK. The negative numbers is displayed in red color with minus sign. Similarly, you can select different option. So if I select second one, click OK, the negative numbers will be displayed in red color without minus sign. Now to use currency sign, select your numbers, press Ctrl 1, select currency in category, and now you will see same different options with dollar sign. So select any option and click OK. The numbers will be displayed with dollar sign too. For more flexibility, you can use custom number formatting. So select your numbers, press Ctrl 1 in category, select custom option, and in type you can select multiple options. So if I select this option where the negative numbers are displayed with negative sign in red color, click OK. Now all your negative numbers will be displayed in red color with negative sign. You can create your own custom format. So to show positive numbers as profit and negative number as loss, in format cell option, select the custom and in the type 0.00 for positive numbers, space, type profit in double quotes, semicolon. Now for negative numbers, type minus sign 0.00 space in double quotes, type loss. Now click OK. The positive numbers are displayed with profit and negative numbers with loss. Now to add the colors, select your number again, press Ctrl 1 and in the same custom format for positive numbers, type green in square brackets and after semicolon for negative numbers, type red in square bracket. Click OK and all your positive numbers are displayed in green color and negative numbers in red color. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.